What it do, everybody? It's your boy Roblox Scripts here, coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can bypass the key systems for basically every single Roblox Android executor that exists right now. So this is going to work for things like Fluxus, Codex, Arceus X, Delta and Trigon. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight into this. You want to start off by clicking the link in the description below. It's going to take you straight over to robloxscripts.com. Make sure to bookmark the website if you haven't already. Check back every single day for new posts. Scroll down and you will find the Discord server right here. So yes, this is a free Discord bot. You can actually add this to your own servers. It's really awesome and I've been using this ever since I found out about it. So click on join our server to use the bypass. It's going to take you over to this Discord server right here, and when you first join you will be in the Fed waiting room. Just make sure to verify yourself, and after you've verified yourself, head over to the key bypass section right here, and this is where all the magic's going to happen. So in this section right here, not only can you request a list of every single executor. So if you type /executor and press enter, it's going to actually return a list of all the Android executors that you can download, and some of them actually come with no key systems built in. So if you download Arceus X or you download Delta from this list right here, you will actually not have to use the key bypasser in the first place, which is kind of cool, guys. So if you want to download any of those two executors with no keys built into them, you can go ahead and do that. But for this video I'm going to be using Codex. So we're going to download the Codex APK. We're going to click on the download. We're going to click generate link. Alright, now we can click download. So let's download the APK file. Once we've downloaded this, we're going to drag this straight to our desktop. There we go. So we've just downloaded Codex. Codex is now on our desktop, and the second thing you need is an Android emulator. So my personal choice is LD Player 9. LD Player 9 I've had no problems with. It works absolutely amazing. I've tried BlueStacks, I've tried Moo, they don't work well for me. LD Player 9 works great. So we're going to get the APK, we're going to drag this straight into LD Player, and it's going to install Roblox. Right, now Roblox is installed, we can load up and we can log into an account. So I'm going to sign into one of my alt accounts. I highly recommend that you guys use alt accounts as well. Do not use any main accounts. Ban waves are happening left, right and center right now, so it's just safe if you guys protect your headless core blocks and use an alt account only. Stay safe, guys. Alright, so we finally signed into Roblox. We're now going to go into the first game that we can click on, which happens to be Blade Ball. And if you've never used an Android executor before, all you need to do is load into a game and it should automatically load the UI and ask for a key system. Right, so we finally spawned into the game. Now we should see the Codex menu load at any second now, so we've just got to wait for Codex to load. Here we go. So Codex Android, please complete the whitelist to gain access to Codex. So it's going to ask, waiting for you to whitelist. We now need to copy the whitelist link. So copy the link, head over to the Discord server where you guys just joined, where it says key bypass. Now all you have to do is press the / and type in whichever executor you want to bypass. So we want to bypass Codex. I'm going to use Sniffing Cat. You can use, there's two different bots here that you guys can use, but I prefer to use Sniffing Cat. So we post the link to Codex into this box right here, and now we need to wait about 30 seconds for it to bypass the key system. So let's wait for it to bypass the key system for Codex. And there we go, everybody. So it took 38.51 seconds to whitelist me for Codex, and now if we head back into the Roblox window, you can see that we are indeed whitelisted. We can view the console, we can view everything pretty much. So we can view all of the scripts they have here. You know, I don't know if they have any Blade Ball ones. Let's see if they've got any Blade Ball scripts. Blade Ball. Do we have any Blade Ball? Yes, we do have Blade Ball. So you can just execute any script you want here. So if we click this, click execute. I don't actually know how to close the Codex window. Let's just see. Can we close the Codex window? Alright, I have no idea how to use Codex, guys, so I'm not going to proceed any further with using Codex. To me, my favorite Android executors so far is pretty much Fluxus. I enjoy using Fluxus. Vega X is pretty easy to use as well, and this key bypass works for every single one of them. So you can clearly see that it works from this video, guys. I hope you enjoy not having to do key systems. Remember, abuse this as much as you can. Tell all your friends about this. Tell your grandma about this. Tell all your family about this. Go to school and tell all of your teachers about this. everybody needs to know before this gets patched, because all of these key bypasses get patched eventually, guys. Here's a little lifeline for you guys from your boy Roblox Scripts. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on fire content like this. Join our Discord server, become a part of the community, leave a comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.